In this video, I would like to talk about the role of stockbrokers in the overall investment process, and they actually serve a unique role of connecting investors to the markets. So, stockbrokers play a critical role in the financial market by acting as intermediaries between investors and the stock exchanges. They facilitate trading, provide market insights, and ensure smooth transactions for for their respective clients. So here is an overview of their key roles. Number one is facilitating trades, facilitating trades. So in actual sense, stockbrokers execute buy and sell orders on behalf of their clients. They have direct access to stock exchanges, enabling individual and institutional investors to trade securities. They serve as intermediaries. You want to buy stocks, you buy through a stockbroker. You want to sell stocks, you also sell, through a stockbroker. Number two is providing investment advice, providing investment advice. Many stockbrokers offer advisory services, helping clients make informed investment decisions, and this is based on market trends, on economic conditions, and also based on the investors' individual, personal, financial goals, and also the time horizon, as well as the risk tolerance of the investor concern. Number three is ensuring market access, ensuring market access. A broker provides, you discover that brokers they provide clients with platform, platform to access stock markets, often offering tools like trading apps, research reports, and educational resources to enhance their clients' trading experience, to enable the clients to make better informed decisions when it comes to investing. And number four is offering portfolio management. They offer portfolio management for clients who prefer not to manage their investments themselves, who don't like to manage their investment directly. Brokers may offer portfolio management services, designing and monitoring investment strategies tailored to the client's risk tolerance, as well as the client's investment goals and objectives. So the stockbroker is there to design and manage the portfolio on behalf of their clients, taking into consideration the client's investment goals, as well as their unique risk tolerance. Number five is research and analysis. Research and analysis. And a very important function of stockbrokers is to actually conduct in-depth market research, providing clients with insights, stock recommendations and analysis of economic events that could impact market performance. So they carry out this analysis. If you go to their websites, you have a segment for research reports. You download the reports and then you study the reports. That will help you to be able to make better informed, be better informed as an investor. So stockbrokers provides this unique services. Please then subscribe to this channel and like this video if you've not done that. It would help me and motivate me to keep on bringing contents of this nature to you. Number six is compliance and regulation. Compliance and regulation. Stockbrokers ensure that trades comply with regulatory requirements, protecting clients from fraud and ensuring transparency, in transactions. So they help to actually carry out their the clients, and they execute clients' threats or orders in compliance with regulatory requirements. And by so doing, they tend to like shield their clients from fraud, from pyramid schemes, and also, enforce or ensure overall transparency in the investment process. Number seven is risk management. Risk management. So in this case, by understanding their clients' risk tolerance, brokers help them select suitable investment options, and minimizing personal losses while maximizing returns. First of all, understand the client's preference, their risk tolerance, their investment horizon, and the overall psychological makeup as investors. And then they help them to manage their investment to limit or curtail or mitigate risk while trying to eke out, a sizable return, for their clients. They aim to maximize returns for their clients. Number eight is facilitating initial public offer participation. Facilitating initial public offer participation. So brokers enable their clients to participate in IPOs, in initial public offering, giving them access to newly issued stocks before they are available on the secondary market. Whenever companies come to the market to raise funds, to raise capital, so brokers tend to make the offerings available to their clients before the issue comes to the open markets. By so doing, they facilitates in the process of raising capital for the company by introducing those offerings to their clients. Number nine is educating investors. Educating investors. Many brokers provide educational resources. They provide workshops and tutorials to help clients understand the market and improve their investment strategies. So they go a long way to provide all manner of educational resources. They provide webinars and workshops and tutorial and even training to help their clients to have a better grasp of how the market works and on how they can better improve their investment results or investment outcome. Number 10 is building trust and relationship. Building trust and relationship. So successful stockbrokers, they prioritize, client relationships, and they tend to ensure, consistent communication. They communicate with their client back and forth. They keep the clients, better informed, and they equally provide personalized service and long-term financial planning reports. If I may digress a bit, I opened an account just this morning, and by the afternoon hour, a relationship officer called me from the broker, and then they're telling me how to go about my investments, and equally making me, making me familiar with the company's offerings when it comes to educational resources for their, for their clients. And I was really happy actually, for that care, for that concern, and for that desire to see how they could be of help to me as as an investor or as a client. So by so doing, they kind of build relationship. They gave me their official phone number. Anytime you have an inquiry or you encounter a problem, please call us. We'll be of assistance to you. That's what brokers essentially do. So brokers are essential in connecting our industry, individual. They connect individual as well as institutional investors to the financial markets, ensuring accessibility, efficiency, and overall trust in the trading process. So, in other words, it's almost impossible for one to invest without the service of a stockbroker. You must go through a brokerage firm. All right, they are there specifically to help you, to see you through, to assist you, and to make sure that your orders are executed, are duly executed on time, and they equally offer advice, counsel, support here and there to provide meaningful returns at the end of the day. So in a modern stock market, we cannot do without the connecting influence of stockbrokers. Please don't forget to watch other relevant videos in my channel. I have over 500 videos on the stock market. Please watch them and see how you can build your investment stamina.